Importing your budget into EveryDollar is a straightforward process that helps you streamline your financial management. To get started, you need to have an EveryDollar account and a budget file ready to import. First, log into your EveryDollar account and navigate to the budget section. Look for the import option, usually represented as a button or link, and click on it. This will take you to the import page where you can select the file type of your budget. EveryDollar supports various file formats, including CSV and QFX. Next, choose the file you want to import from your computer. Make sure the file is in the correct format and contains the necessary budget information, such as income, expenses, and categories. If your file is not in the correct format, you may need to export it from your previous budgeting tool or spreadsheet and convert it to a compatible format. Once you have selected the file, click the Import button to start the import process. EveryDollar will then read the file and import the budget data into your account. This may take a few seconds, depending on the size of the file and the complexity of your budget. After the import is complete, review your budget to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. You may need to make some adjustments to categories or account names to match EveryDollar's formatting. This is also a good opportunity to review your budget and make any necessary changes to your financial plan. To get the most out of EveryDollar, it is essential to keep your budget up to date and accurate. Regularly import new budget data and review your finances to stay on track with your financial goals. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively import your budget into EveryDollar and take control of your financial management.